morning to you all. Today we are going to discuss about female reproductive system. Female reproductive system for class 8 and chapter reproduction in animals. In this female reproductive system, first of all, we are going through the organs present in this system. What are the organs which are present in this system? The name of the organs are ovaries, fallopian tube, or you can say oviduct, or what can we say? Oviduct. Then the third one is uterus. Cervix is also there, but it's okay. The lower part of the uterus is only known as cervix. And then vagina. So these are the organs present in female reproductive system. How do they work? What is their function? Let us go through one by one. As we know, this they consist two oval shaped ovaries. Two ovaries are there. And these ovaries are connected by a tube-like structure. This is what the connection. It is the tube-like structure, and which opens into a bag-like structure known as uterus. So what is this? One by one I am going to make you understand. This is what is known as ovary. This is what? Ovary. Two ovaries are there, so we can write ovaries. What is the function of ovaries? They release eggs. ये जो ovary है, ये eggs release करते हैं. But do you know only one eggs gets fertilized? Then why two ovaries are there? Never get confused. इन दोनों ovaries में से एक ही egg release होता है every month. Suppose if in the month of December, right ovary is releasing egg, then in January, left ovary will release the egg. Means what? They release the eggs alternate months. ये alternate months में eggs release करते हैं. And these eggs, the formation of eggs in ovary, what it is called? It is called oogenesis. What it is known as? Oogenesis. So when the egg is formed, it is given to the oviduct or fallopian tube. So the production of egg and going to the fallopian tube is known as ovulation. What it is known as? Ovulation. So now the egg is produced and it is taken up by the oviducal funnel, which goes in the fallopian tube, and here it waits. और यहाँ fallopian tube में ये wait करता है. Menstruation के 14 days में ये यहाँ पहुँच जाता है, and it waits for the fertilization. If fertilization takes place, then what is formed? A zygote is formed. After fertilization, zygote is formed, and this zygote gets down and get attached to the uterus wall. ये नीचे आता है और यूटेराइन वॉल में अटैच्ड हो जाता है जाइगोट. Here it gets nutrition through the blood. This uterine wall is richly supplied by the blood vessels to provide the nourishment to this zygote for development, rapid development. So this process of sticking to the uterine wall, do you know what it is called? This process of embedding of zygote to the uterine wall known as implantation. What it is called? It is called implantation. Don't forget. Now what happened? Here it grows and develops. For 42, you can say 280 days. 280 days means what? 9 months it remains in the mother's womb. ये 9 months तक मदर्स वूम में जाइगोट जो है डेवलप करना शुरू होता है, एंड दिस होल 9 months इज कॉल्ड जेस्टेशन पीरियड दैट आई हैव मेड यू अंडरस्टैंड इन द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ एम्ब्रियो. So if you wish to know this all properly, please watch the video Development of Embryo. I'll give in my description box the link. So what happened finally after the growth and development? It comes down at the time of giving birth or coming out of the body of female. It gets down and lower part of the uterus is known as cervix. ये जो यूटरस का लोअर पार्ट है इसे हम सर्विक्स कहते हैं. ये ओपन होता है एक मस्कुलर ट्यूब में जिसे कि हम वजाइना कहते हैं. It opens into a muscular tube which is known as vagina, and through this vagina this baby comes out. This baby comes out. So this complete process coming out of the baby through vagina is known as parturition. What it is known as? Parturition. So this was the whole story of the female reproductive system. मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि आप लोगों ने इस फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम को समझ लिया होगा. इफ़ यू हैव एनी डाउट देन प्लीज़ सी दिस वीडियो अगेन एंड अगेन एंड मेक द नोट्स ऑल्सो. एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू राइट द कॉमेंट्स एंड टैप द लाइक बटन एंड वेट फॉर द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. Share and subscribe also. Thank you all of you.